Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best 750 watt power supplies on the market. Whether you're building a gaming rig or upgrading your PC, a reliable PSU is key. Let's break down the pros and cons of these powerhouses to help you pick the perfect one for your build. At number 5, we have the Aresgame AGV750 watt power supply. The Aresgame AGV750 watt power supply is a popular choice among PC enthusiasts, particularly gamers, for its reliable performance and sleek design. As an ATX PSU delivering 750 watts of continuous output, it promises stable power delivery and high efficiency. However, like any product, it has its strengths and weaknesses. We break down the pros and cons of the Aresgame AGV750 watt power supply to help you decide if it's the right fit for your build. Pros. Stable power output. The Aresgame AGV750 watt PSU is designed to provide consistent and reliable power delivery, making it an excellent choice for gaming rigs or high-performance systems. Its stable output ensures that your components receive the necessary power without fluctuations, reducing the risk of damage or instability. 80+ bronze certification. With an 80+ bronze certification, this power supply boasts an efficiency rating of 85% or higher under typical loads. This means less energy waste and lower electricity bills, making it an eco-friendly and cost-effective option. Semi-modular design. The semi-modular design allows you to use only the cables you need, reducing clutter inside your PC case. This not only improves airflow but also makes cable management easier, resulting in a cleaner and more organized build. Ultra-quiet 120mm fan. Equipped with a 120mm fan featuring intelligent speed control, the Aresgame AGV750 watt operates quietly even under load. This makes it an ideal choice for users who prioritize a silent computing experience. Excellent heat dissipation. The honeycomb ventilation design, combined with the efficient fan, ensures optimal heat dissipation. This helps maintain lower temperatures inside your system, prolonging the lifespan of your components. Aesthetic appeal. The all-black design, including the SECC black coating casing, black cables, and connectors, gives the power supply a sleek and modern look. This high-tech appearance complements any build, especially those with a minimalist or stealthy theme. Cons. Cable length and flexibility. While the cables are black and visually appealing, some users have reported that the cable length and flexibility could be improved for better routing in larger cases. The Aresgame AGV750 watt power supply is a solid choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts who value stability, efficiency, and a clean aesthetic. Its semi-modular design, quiet operation, and robust protection features make it a reliable option for mid-range builds. Next up, at number 4, we have the MSI MAG A750GL 750 watt power supply. The MSI MAG A750GL 750 watt power supply is a high-performance PSU designed for modern gaming and high-end computing systems. With its ATX 3.0 compatibility, PCIe 5.0 support, and 80+ gold certification, it promises to deliver reliable power with efficiency. However, like any product, it has its strengths and weaknesses. We explore the pros and cons of the MSI MAG A750GL 750 watt power supply. Pros. ATX 3.0 and PCIe 5.0 compatibility. The MSI MAG A750GL is fully compliant with the latest ATX 3.0 and PCIe 5.0 standards, making it future-proof for next-generation hardware. It can handle up to 2x total power excursion and 3x GPU power excursion, ensuring stability even under heavy loads. 80+ gold certification. With 80+ gold certification, this power supply offers high energy efficiency, reducing power consumption and heat generation. This not only lowers electricity bills but also contributes to a cooler and quieter system. Dual-color 16-pin PCIe cable. The inclusion of a yellow 16-pin PCIe cable makes it easy for users to verify proper installation. This feature reduces the risk of incorrect connections, which can be critical for system stability and performance. Full bridge DC to DC design. The full bridge DC to DC design ensures higher conversion efficiency, stable output voltage, and faster voltage adjustments. This makes the PSU suitable for a variety of usage scenarios, from gaming to intensive workloads. Fluid dynamic bearing fan. The fluid dynamic bearing fan strikes an excellent balance between cooling performance and noise levels. This ensures that the power supply remains cool without becoming overly loud, even during extended use. Fully modular design. The fully modular design allows users to connect only the cables they need, reducing clutter inside the case and improving airflow. This makes cable management easier and contributes to a cleaner build. Cons: size and compatibility. While the MSI MAG A750GL is designed to fit most ATX cases, its size and cable length may not be ideal for smaller form factor builds. Users with compact cases should verify compatibility before purchasing. The MSI MAG A750GL 750-watt power supply is a robust and efficient choice for gamers and professionals seeking a reliable PSU with modern features. Its ATX 3.0 and PCIe 5.0 compatibility, 80+ gold certification, and fluid dynamic bearing fan make it a standout option. Taking the third spot is the Thermaltake GF1 750-watt power supply. The Thermaltake GF1 750-watt power supply is a high-performance PSU designed for PC enthusiasts who demand reliability, efficiency, and premium features. With its 80+ gold certification, modular design, and advanced cooling system, it aims to cater to users looking for a top-tier power supply. However, like any product, it has its strengths and weaknesses. We explore the pros and cons of the Thermaltake GF1 750-watt power supply. Pros: 80+ gold certification. The GF1 750-watt is 80+ gold certified, ensuring high energy efficiency. This means it wastes less power as heat, reducing electricity costs and making it an environmentally friendly choice for energy-conscious users. Smart Zero Fan feature. The Smart Zero Fan technology ensures that the fan remains off until the power supply reaches a certain load threshold. This minimizes noise during low to moderate usage, making it ideal for users who prioritize a quiet PC environment. Ultra-quiet 140mm fluid-bearing fan. The inclusion of a 140mm fluid-bearing fan enhances cooling performance while maintaining low noise levels. This fan is designed for durability and smooth operation, contributing to the overall reliability of the unit. Fully modular design. The fully modular design allows users to connect only the cables they need, reducing clutter and improving airflow within the PC case. This feature is particularly beneficial for cable management and maintaining a clean build. High amperage single plus 12V rail. The high amperage single plus 12V rail, combined with a DC to DC design, ensures stable and consistent power delivery. This is crucial for powering high-performance components like GPUs and CPUs without fluctuations. Industrial-grade protections. Built-in protections such as OVP, UVP, and OCP safeguard your components from potential damage caused by power irregularities. Compact size. With dimensions of 140mm x 86mm by 150mm, the GF1 750W is designed to fit comfortably in most PC cases while leaving ample space for cable management. Cons: fan noise under heavy load. While the Smart Zero Fan feature keeps the unit quiet during low to moderate loads, the fan can become audible under heavy usage. This might be a concern for users who are extremely sensitive to noise. The Thermaltake GF1 750-watt power supply is a solid choice for PC enthusiasts seeking a reliable, efficient, and quiet PSU. Its 80+ gold certification, modular design, and robust build quality make it a standout option for high-performance builds. Coming in at number 2 is the Corsair RM750E 750-watt power supply. The Corsair RM750E 750-watt power supply is a popular choice among PC builders and enthusiasts, offering a blend of reliability, efficiency, and modern features. However, like any piece of hardware, it comes with its own set of advantages and disadvantages. We break down the pros and cons of this power supply unit to help you decide if it's the right fit for your system. Pros: fully modular design. The Corsair RM750E features fully modular cabling, allowing users to connect only the cables their system requires. This not only simplifies cable management but also improves airflow within the case, leading to better cooling and a cleaner build. Intel ATX 3.0 certification. Compliant with the latest ATX 3.0 power standard, this PSU is designed to support PCIe Gen 5 platforms and can handle transient power spikes. This makes it a future-proof option for high-performance systems, especially those with demanding GPUs. Quiet operation. Equipped with a 120mm rifle-bearing fan and a specially calculated fan curve, the RM750E operates quietly even under full load. This is a significant advantage for users who prioritize a silent PC environment. High-quality capacitors. The use of 105C rated capacitors ensures steady and reliable power delivery, enhancing the overall electrical performance and longevity of the PSU. This makes it a dependable choice for both gaming and professional workloads. Modern standby compatibility. The RM750E supports modern standby, enabling faster wake from sleep times and improved low-load efficiency. This feature is particularly beneficial for users who frequently put their systems to sleep and need quick resume times. Cons: no included PCIe General 5 cable. Despite being ATX 3.0 certified, the RM750E does not come with a PCIe General 5 cable. Users with PCIe General 5 GPUs may need to purchase this cable separately, adding to the overall cost. The Corsair RM750E 750-watt power supply is a solid choice for users seeking a reliable, efficient, and quiet PSU with modern features like ATX 3.0 compliance and fully modular cabling. Its high-quality capacitors and modern standby compatibility further enhance its appeal. And finally, our top pick, the EVGA 750BP 750-watt power supply. When it comes to building or upgrading a PC, choosing the right power supply is crucial. The EVGA 750BP 750-watt power supply is a popular choice among gamers and PC enthusiasts, offering a range of features designed to deliver reliable performance. However, like any product, it has its strengths and weaknesses. In this video, we'll explore the pros and cons of the EVGA 750BP 750-watt power supply to help you decide if it's the right fit for your needs. Pros: 80+ bronze certification. The EVGA 750BP is 80+ bronze certified, meaning it delivers at least 85% efficiency under typical loads. This ensures that less energy is wasted as heat, making it a more energy-efficient option compared to non-certified power supplies. Over time, this can lead to lower electricity bills and a reduced environmental impact. Active power factor correction. With active PFC, this power supply ensures a more stable and efficient power delivery to your components. This feature is particularly beneficial for users in regions with unstable power grids, as it helps protect your system from voltage fluctuations and improves overall reliability. DC-DC converter for improved stability. The inclusion of a DC-DC converter enhances the stability of the 3.3V and 5V rails. This is especially important for systems with multiple components that rely on consistent power delivery, such as high-end GPUs and CPUs. Improved stability can lead to better performance and longevity of your hardware. EVGA's reputation for customer support. EVGA is known for its excellent customer service and support. The 750BP comes with a 3-year limited warranty, providing peace of mind in case of any issues. EVGA's customer support team is also highly regarded for being responsive and helpful, which is a big plus for users who value after-sales service. Cons: noise levels. Some users have reported that the fan can become noisy under heavy loads. While this isn't a deal-breaker for everyone, it's something to consider if you prioritize a quiet system. The EVGA 750BP 750-watt power supply is a solid choice for users looking for a reliable and affordable power supply for their PC builds. Its 80+ bronze certification, active PFC, and DC-DC converter ensure stable and efficient power delivery, while EVGA's excellent customer support adds an extra layer of confidence.